There's going. Oh, Jesus Christ. I swear we're childish.
Load me up. What are you doing? Put the top back on.
Why?
It don't matter. Come on, let's go.
I don't see who would even come up with this.
What? Why are you getting it all in?
You act like we really gonna eat this.
Come on.
See, you like.
That's good. Oh, this.
You ain't got enough. Yeah, just spread it out. Oh, okay. Tell me. We can make cinnamon toast in the morning. You don't got as much as me.
Yeah, right?
No, I'm not. Mine's all the way full. Yours isn't.
Alright.
This is really nasty.
1, 2.
You gotta have a kiss first. Because we're not even gonna kiss after this.
3. Why are you blowing up? Ugh. You sicko!